And now welcome to the stage, Eddie Pendergast, Foghorn of the Great White Way.
Light the candles, get the ice out, roll the rug up. It's today. Oh, it may not be anyone's birthday, and though it's far from the first of the year, I know that this very minute has history in it. We're here. It's a time for making merry, and so I'm for making hay. Turn the red dawn, get your shoes on, strike the band now. It's today. Is that Gabriel Ball? No, it's the Alleyway. Slap my bass,